I got this feeling inside my brains. It goes electric wavy when I make them A's. All through 4th grade, all through my school, we're flying up no ceiling when we're in our zone. I've got that sunshine in my pocket, looking forward to a good day. I feel I can do everything when I try. I can't stop myself from learning, moving up academically. We'll unlock the way we rock it, so don't stop.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to our virtual math class, which is watching me teach through this. Okay? So today's lesson is part 2, or the next series of the videos of what I did last time, which was on area and perimeter, okay? But this time, now we know the formulas, right? Now we know the formulas of area and perimeter for a square and a rectangle. Now we're going to use that knowledge and learn how to use it in word problems. So when I see a word problem, that means I know how to use the formulas together and solve what am I looking for, okay? So why do I need to know about solving problems and that are related to area and perimeter, okay? So this is TEKS 4.5b. Okay, so remember, once you see this little guy on the bottom of your left screen, make sure to pause the video and write down what is on the screen, okay? Because it's very important, and put it down in your journals. So here are our objectives for today. Students will know how to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Students will understand how to find the area of a rectangle, and then students will be able to share in a group discussion how to solve problems related to perimeter and area of rectangles where dimensions are whole numbers, okay? So basically, by the end of today and tomorrow's video, you should be able to find the perimeter of the rectangle, and then you understand how to find the area as well, okay? And you're gonna be able to help somebody if they ever need it. And here it is in Spanish, just in case you need it. Here are some essential questions. How do you know when to solve for an area or perimeter? Okay, so based on the word problems, is it an area question? Is it a perimeter question? How do you know? And if you're able to answer the question by the end of the 2 videos, then you understand what to do. Let's go ahead and look at our vocabulary. Now this is the same vocabulary as we did the other series of area and perimeter, so you might not need to copy this down unless you didn't copy everything down, okay? Okay, so the first vocabulary is area. And area means, again, the number of square units, squares needed to cover a flat surface. So for an example, on this rectangle, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 squares, okay? 10 squares. The dimensions means it's the measurement in one direction, such as length, width, or height. Now remember, 2-dimensional figures only have length and width. 3-dimensionals have length, width, and height to make it 3D, okay? Formulas are an equation that represents a mathematical rule, or a recipe, as I like to call it, okay? Because the recipe, if you make a mistake in the recipe somewhere, then your cake's not gonna come out good. Here is the first dimension, which is length, okay? Length goes like this, so length is here on the bottom, or it could be on the top as well, but length goes horizontally. Perimeter is one of the ways to find Perimeter is, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the edge, okay, trying to find the edge of a figure, the distance around the outside of a figure. One of the figures that we're going to be working with is a rectangle, which is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of equal opposites, parallel sides, and 4 right angles. Remember, top and bottom are the same, and side to side are the same as well. And the other figure that we're going to be working with is square, which is a parallelogram or a equilateral with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Remember, all sides are the same. And the next dimension that we have is width, okay? So length is here horizontally and width is vertically. That doesn't mean height, okay? On a paper, it means width, like here on this paper or video. Okay, unit is a quantity used as a standard of measurement, and then square units is a unit of measure used when finding area. So we use square units when we find area a lot. Let's go ahead and look at this brain pop video.
The rabbits keep stealing our vegetables, Moby. We should build a fence around our class garden. First, we'll need to figure out the perimeter. What is perimeter? The perimeter is the total distance around something. You can think of the perimeter as an outline around something. The lines in the grass show the perimeter of the soccer field. The fences show the perimeter of each piece of land. The map shows the perimeter of each state. But you can also find the perimeter of small things, like my notebook. Good question, Moby. How do you find the perimeter? You can find the perimeter of a shape or figure by adding the lengths of all of its sides. Each side of this packet of seeds is 10 centimeters long. To find the perimeter, add the lengths together. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. You can skip count by 10 to find the sum. 10, 20, 30, 40. The perimeter is 40 centimeters. Let's find the perimeter of the carrot section of the garden. To find the perimeter, add the lengths together. 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5. I know it's a long number sentence, so that's why I add the easier numbers first. Let's see. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So now I add 4 plus 3 plus 5. I know 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. The perimeter of the carrot section is 12 feet. It's helpful to break up long number sentences into smaller ones to help you add. What's the perimeter of this shape? Add the lengths together to find out. 3 plus 5 plus 7. I know that 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So the perimeter of the shape is 15 centimeters. Figuring out the perimeter can help you build or design things. We want to build a fence that goes around our class garden. What's the perimeter of the garden? I know our class garden is 6 feet wide and 4 feet long. Add up all of the measurements to find the perimeter. 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. I know that 6 plus 4 makes 10. So now I add 10 plus 10. That's equal to 20. The perimeter of the garden is 20 feet. Since we know the perimeter, we can figure out how much fencing we need to put around it. Then we can keep the rabbits out. Nice fence, Moby. I don't think any rabbits will get in our garden now. But I don't think we can get in either.
Awesome. And I'm back. Okay, so these are your notes, and they're the same ones as last time. Okay, so just make sure to have them somewhere in your notebook. And tomorrow we're gonna go over some videos. We're gonna go over some notes to help you understand this better. Okay, we're gonna do some examples tomorrow. That is it for today. I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.